Welcome back to another video. Today we're here again with Chaz.
Hello.
And we're working on Chaz's new car, which is an Alfa Romeo Mito Sprint 1.3 JTD. Now we've just done an oil and filter change, so if you want to watch that, click up in the top right hand corner. And now we're going to do a really easy job, and we're going to change the air filter.
Yeah.
The air filter is located under this cover. Now this engine, as I said before, shares in many different models, including a lot of the Fiat engines and some of the Vauxhalls. Okay, so this is the same procedure for all of those engines and all those models. So here we have the air filter. It's a genuine part. That's the part number. I suggest you Google the part number because some manufacturers are cheaper than others. I think I paid £11 for this, delivered from a main dealer in Salisbury. The only tool you'll need for the job is a 7mm socket. I've got it on a whizzy gun because it's a lot quicker, so I'm going to give this to Chaz, and he's going to start undoing the 4 bolts, and he's not going to lose them.
Nope.
They stay in, they might stay in, they might stay in.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, they do stay in. Just undo them. That's it. Okay, and then you literally lift it up. That one goes back in, we'll do that in a minute. You lift it up. That one's still stuck. There you go. That one's still in. There you go. Now lift it up, Chaz. And that's it. And then you should be able to slide it that way now.
Slide what? Which one?
This here should just pull out. There you go.
Yep.
And there is your air filter, which doesn't look too bad actually. But we're going to change it anyway because we're doing a full service. Right, so take the air filter out then, Chaz. See how dirty it is. Oh, there's a few leaves in there. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's a little bit dirty, but it's been doing its job. Look. So we've got some debris on the underside. We'll just get the vacuum cleaner in there and clean that out before we put the new one in. So this is the new air filter. Old one, new one. Old one, new one. Genuine, not so genuine. Anyway, right. Chaz is now going to put it in the car. Yeah, make sure it can only go in one way. And literally just drops in. There you go. Right, simple as that.
Yep.
Right, do you want to put the lid back on, Chaz? So when you put the lid on, just make sure this is all nice and flush and you don't catch it. So there you go. So you just put it in like that angle. Make sure the little tabs are in the back there. There's 4 of them. And then you just put it down. There you go. Nicely fitted. And you just do the bolts up. Oh, that's right. Sorry, yeah. Do the 2 corners first. There you go, and then the middle ones. And there, job done. That took about 2 minutes. That is Chaz's first air filter change. So well done, Chaz.
It's a lot easier than you expected.
Very true. So hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and think about subscribing if you haven't. See you on the next one. Bye for now.
Bye bye.